Imagine a world where code auditing, once a $40 billion fortress, is toppled overnight by a single innovation. That world arrived the moment Anthropic unveiled Claude Code Review, turning the security industry on its head. Shockwaves hit boardrooms and developer communities alike. This isn't just a minor update, it's an earthquake. For years, application security audits relied on manual checks, painstaking, expensive, and slow. Software teams were drowning in new code, but trusted experts to catch issues before release. Except, most of the time, they didn't. Only a fraction of code ever received serious scrutiny, leaving mountains of bugs to slip through unnoticed. Traditional scanners promised peace of mind but delivered noise. False positives stacked up, and developers tuned them out. Critical vulnerabilities hid in plain sight as check-the-box reviews became routine. Then Anthropic shifted the paradigm, a literal army of AI agents, ready to review every pull request for less than the price of lunch. From $50,000 a year to $25 per review, this isn't a discount, it's a revolution. Claude doesn't just skim code, it orchestrates a team of specialized agents, one reviewing style, another diving into logic, and others tracing change histories. Each AI agent interrogates the code from a unique perspective, ensuring nothing gets passed unnoticed. When 1,000 lines change, 1,000 eyes scour every edit. For a tiny typo, the workflow stays agile, fast, and precise. Instead of nitpicking indentation, the system zeroes in on what could crash servers or expose user data. The results are staggering. In massive pull requests, it finds serious issues in the majority of cases, averaging over 7 unique bugs flagged per submission. Engineers agree with Claude's review more than 99% of the time, finally trusting automated code review for critical fixes. Even in the smallest, fastest code updates, places where humans almost always rubber stamp, Claude spots subtle logic flaws that could bring production down. Its wider perspective sees connections and consequences that even seasoned professionals might overlook. Real-world stories pile up. A recent client, deep in a complex rewrite, missed a single overlooked bug. Claude caught it, preventing a catastrophic error that would have wiped encryption keys. Here, AI's relentless focus and stamina outpace human limits. This is not about ending the role of developers or erasing security experts. The human remains the ultimate authority, the final reviewer, the architect piloting the system. But their role evolves, from manual validator to strategy leader, using AI to boost productivity and safeguard quality. The industry now faces a new reality. Higher accuracy at far lower cost means the old business models can't survive. Vendors must adapt or fade away as companies adopt AI to accelerate research and drive quality. For anyone still clinging to outdated processes or sky-high audit bills, the message is clear. It's time to change. For those who embrace innovation, the future is an open road, faster, safer, and brighter than ever before. Welcome to the new dawn of code review. Let's recap why this transformation matters. Traditional auditing was slow, expensive, and often ineffective. AI code review provides speed, accuracy, and scalability at a fraction of the cost. Engineers can now focus on creative solutions, not tedious audits. Security is stronger when AI and human expertise combine forces. The future belongs to those who adapt and innovate. Claude Code Review is just the beginning. The AI revolution in development is here. Are you ready to join the new era of code auditing?